Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Just Dance Now on your phone. First, you will need to download the free Just Dance Now application onto your smartphone from your device's app store. Make sure both your phone and your chosen display screen have a strong, stable internet connection. Then, find a large screen, like a smart television or computer, to display the game. This initial setup is quick and easy, getting you ready to dance in just a few moments. To connect your devices, open the Just Dance Now app on your phone. Simultaneously, navigate to the official Just Dance Now website, which is www.justinceno.com on your display screen. A unique room number will appear on your display. Simply enter this 5-digit room number into the corresponding field within your phone application. Once entered, your phone will instantly become your controller, ready for action. Now for the fun part. Within the Just Dance Now app on your phone, you can browse through an extensive catalog of hundreds of songs. Once you have chosen your favorite track, select it to begin the dance session on your main screen. Remember to hold your phone securely in your right hand. Then, simply mimic the movements of the on-screen coach to score points and enjoy the rhythm. For the best possible experience, ensure you have cleared a spacious area, ideally at least 6 feet by 6 feet, to move freely and safely. Wearing comfortable clothing and athletic shoes will enhance your dancing comfort and prevent any slips. Remember to stay well hydrated throughout your play session and take short breaks, especially during longer periods of energetic dancing, to maintain your energy levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.